Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's going to change the way you communicate with the women in your life, whether it's your partner, a friend, or even a colleague. We're talking about compliments, but not just any compliments. The ones women love the most that you're probably not giving. Now I know what you're thinking. Compliments, really. How hard can it be, but trust me. There's an art to it. A well-crafted compliment can make someone's day, strengthen your connection, and even leave a lasting impression. So if you're ready to level up your compliment game, stick around by the end of this video. You'll have 4 powerful, heartfelt compliments that women absolutely love. Let's get into it. Before we get into the specific compliments, let's talk about why compliments matter so much. Compliments are more than just nice words. They're a way to show appreciation, build trust, and make someone feel seen and valued. For women in particular, compliments can be incredibly meaningful. They often carry emotional weight and can reinforce confidence, self-worth, and connection. But here's the thing. Not all compliments are created equal. Generic ones like "you're pretty" or "you look nice" are fine. But they don't always hit the mark. The best compliments are specific, genuine, and tap into something deeper. They go beyond the surface and make the recipient feel truly understood. So let's break down the 4 compliments that women love the most and why they work so well. All right, let's start with compliment number 1. I admire your strength now. This one is powerful because it acknowledges resilience, determination, and inner fortitude. Qualities that women often embody but don't always get recognized for. Whether she's juggling a busy career, raising a family, or overcoming personal challenges, telling her you admire her strength shows that you see and respect her for more than just her appearance. For example, you could say something like, I just want you to know how much I admire your strength. The way you handle everything life throws at you is truly inspiring. See how that goes beyond the surface? It's not just about what she does. It's about who she is. And that's what makes this compliment so impactful. Next up, compliment number 2. You make me want to be a better person. This one is a game changer because it's deeply personal and reflective. It shows that she has a positive influence on your life, and that her presence inspires you to grow and improve. Women love this because it highlights the meaningful impact they have on others. Imagine saying something like, being around you makes me want to be the best version of myself. You inspire me in ways I can't even put into words. It's heartfelt, it's sincere. And it shows that you value her not just for what she does, but for how she makes you feel. And that's a compliment she'll never forget. Now let's talk about compliment number 3. You have an incredible way of making people feel seen. This one is all about acknowledging her emotional intelligence and her ability to connect with others. Women often excel at creating meaningful relationships and making people feel valued, but it's not something they hear often enough. You could say something like, I've noticed how you always make people feel heard and understood. It's such a rare and beautiful quality, and I really admire that about you. This compliment not only makes her feel appreciated, but also reinforces her sense of empathy and connection. It's a win-win. Last but definitely not least, compliment number 4. Your laughter is contagious. This one is all about joy and positivity. Telling a woman that her laughter lights up a room or brings joy to others is a wonderful way to make her feel special. It's a compliment that's lighthearted, but deeply meaningful, because it celebrates her ability to spread happiness. For example, you could say, I just want you to know how much I love your laugh. It's so genuine and contagious. It always brightens my day. This compliment is simple, sweet, and guaranteed to put a smile on her face. Now that you know the 4 compliments, let's talk about how to deliver them effectively. The key is to be genuine and specific. Don't just say these words because you think you should say them, because you truly mean them. Also, timing matters. Look for natural moments to share these compliments, whether it's during a heartfelt conversation or just a quiet moment together. And don't overdo it. Sincerity is what makes these compliments so powerful. And there you have it, 4 compliments that women love the most. And you're probably not giving them. Remember, the best compliments come from the heart. So don't be afraid to let your genuine appreciation shine through. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments which compliment you're excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building meaningful connections. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.